The most difficult part of real estate investing is finding where to invest, and more important, finding the time to invest. Here's an idea. My name is Mercedes Torres. I'm the Turnkey Girl, and I help busy professionals create passive income through real estate investing so they can retire even faster. So I'm sure you hear the term turnkey real estate investing. But what is it? Well, in a nutshell, is real estate done for you? But I'd have to say, it's not all done for you. A turnkey provider does all of the heavy lifting. Well, what does that mean? They find the house for you in a market that should be performing. They rehab the property and bring it to standards, generally rent-ready standards. They then tenant the property. They spend the time to find quality tenants to occupy the property so that you can cash flow. Most important, they manage the property. Because let's face it, if they don't get your property to perform, what's the point of having an investment property? The key to turnkey real estate investing is finding the group that's going to cater to your needs and is truly going to understand your reason for wanting to get involved in real estate investing. Now, it's your job to go out of your way and do your due diligence to find the turnkey operator that's going to provide you what you need in the world of real estate investing. If you want a guide to your first steps on helping you find the right turnkey provider, go to cashflowsavvy.com, download the Frustrated Investor's Guide to Passive Income.